Hi, my name is Renee and welcome to my garden journal. This video is some of the meals that I've ate in April. Here is a quick bread, an orange uh, loaf. Um, Here is some vegan pancakes with strawberry maple syrup. And also for breakfast, I had potatoes, sweet potato aki, and plantains. And for this meal, I had a salad with croutons, rice and peas, and this is brown stew veggie chunks. And I made this. I used the baby bok choy from my garden and some veggie chunks and pasta, and this was like a stir fry uh, bok choy stir fry. And then these I got from Costco. These are some chicken quesadillas. And I made veggie vegetable minestrone soup. And I think I just used the herbs from my garden. That was the only thing from my garden in that. And using the cashews I got from Azure Standard, I made scallop potatoes. This is vegan, and the sauce is the cashew sauce. And with that, I have plantains and asparagus. For this month, I've been drinking different smoothies. This is a mango papaya smoothie. What other things like my base is this has guava juice as well, and ground flax seeds. I also made one with this one is dragon fruit and mango, and I think I added banana here as well. Um, and flax seeds. So this one I know is orange juice, dragon fruit, strawberries, mango, a little bit of papaya, um, flax seeds. I made some orange juice gummies with honey, and I made chickpea meatloaf with roasted cauliflowers and green beans. This is the first time I made it, and you can kind of see what that looks like. For dessert, I made a lemon cake. This is a vegan cake. And the week prior, I had made guava cupcakes. But cupcakes, these weren't vegan. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.